Social media doesn't make us better. It just gives us more communication. It gives us more access to populations, to people, to eyeballs, to potential buyers. That's all it is. So whatever ability we had before social media just gets multiplied about 100 times because the effect that it's having around society. Let me tell you what's important about audiences on Facebook. There's actually more than one type of audience. To be exact, to be precise, there's 3 types of audiences on Facebook, and that's it. You either have something that Facebook calls a core audience, or you have something that's called a lookalike audience, or you have something called a custom audience. Here's a very quick recap on those 3. Number 1, core audience. Core audience is equal to Facebook data. So core audience is all those audiences that Facebook is giving you data about what they like, their interests, the age demographics, their income level based on IRS data. We'll talk about that in a second, based on where they live, their zip codes, etc. Pages that they like, things that they like to do, whether they shop online or they're only window shoppers, whether they have been around for a long time on Facebook or they recently got an account, or whether they use Instagram or Facebook. Are they married, single? Do they have kids? Do they like animals? All that stuff is core data, core information about an audience that Facebook has been accumulating for many, many years because you gave them permission to accumulate this data. That's just the way it is. Facebook, as part of the user agreement, has permission to accumulate data about what you do on the platform. The platform is owned by them, not by you. So because of that, you are giving them information all the time, When you go to a website and you purchase something on your website, keep in mind, on another website, keep in mind that that website usually has a little snippet of code called the Facebook pixel that is shooting that data as to what you're doing on that website back to Facebook. And Facebook uses that data to further help other marketers find audiences. Not only that, even you as the brand, as the one with the code in it, you can use it to find something that Facebook calls a lookalike audience, which, again, let's segue into the next type of audience, which is a lookalike audience. A lookalike audience is an audience based on people that are similar to your audiences that are important to you. For example, if you have a customer list, you can give that to Facebook with emails, with phone numbers, and with names, and in a format like a CSV file or an Excel file. You give it to Facebook and you tell Facebook, I want to find people that are like these people here, like my customers, people that purchase from me, that are part of my subscription. I want to find these people, and please help me get as close as possible to my ideal audience. And they do something, they hash the data, they connect it with other sources of information, and now they help you find people that are like your customers. They connect 6 common traits with other people, and now you have a lookalike audience. That's based on your data. The other audience, so we got, just to recap, we got the core audience, Facebook's data. We have the lookalike audience based on your data, and then we have the custom audience. Custom audience is your data. Custom audiences are, for example, people that are your friends in your Facebook page, your followers on your Facebook page. Also, your email list is a custom audience. Also, people that consume your videos is another custom audience. People that are sending you messages on Messenger is another custom audience. People that have engaged with your Facebook page or engaged with your Instagram profile. People that have engaged overall with you on any of the Facebook family-owned apps becomes your custom audience. So those are the 3 types of audiences. So what do we got? We got the custom audience, we got the lookalike audience, and we got the core audience. Those 3 audiences are all really valuable. Some of them are going to work better in some cases, and some of them are going to work worse in some other cases. It really does depend. I can tell you, for example, the lookalike audiences and the core audiences equals Facebook data. These audiences are meant to be audiences to find top of the funnel audiences, meaning people that are not aware of who you are and what your services do. The ones in the middle, which are the custom audiences, are the ones that you want to use to retarget, to generate new purchases, to keep people active, to get people to become brand ambassadors and connect with you even further, to sell a higher up on the value ladder service that you have to offer. Those are your custom audiences, the ones that are hottest and that would actually purchase things from you already or engage or provide their contact information, are the actual custom audiences that have engaged with you to a certain degree by watching videos, by messaging your page, all that stuff. All of these audiences you can actually create by going to your business manager on Facebook, business.facebook.com, and going to the drop-down menu and going to audiences. And when you go to audiences, in there you can create a custom audience, a lookalike audience. You can create all kinds of audiences. Now, that's a summary of the 3 types of audiences that you have access to in the Facebook world. Let's talk about now, particularly, let's get micro into one of the most important of those audiences, and that is the core audience. The core audience is Facebook's data, and this has gotten better every step of the way.